what we try to do is flip your money a minimum of 6 times in a year. So every other month type of deal. So if you have 10,000 or 100,000, we try to flip it 6 times in a year minimum. So like our ROI, like everyone talks about ROI.
Yeah.
How much can you make? Well, let's just say we flip your $10,000 like investment in stocks. They say if you can get 10,000 to flip one time, make 10% at the end of the year, your financial planner is done awesome, right?
Yeah.
Well, with us, we tell you to take that same $10,000 and make 10%, right? ROI, same thing, but ours is 6 times in a year. You do that 10%.
Okay.
So just think of the difference in the tax advantages and the write-offs and all that jazz,
Yep.
you know? So like I said, we don't oversell anything. If you can get 10,000 in there, we'll make you $1,000 off of it. It usually takes 30, 45 days, sometimes 60 days to make that $1,000. But
Okay.
because you're always replenishing or continuing to buy, you know, you have a rolling effect of ROI.
Okay.
So that's basically it. Amazon is a beast. I mean, the numbers are ridiculous. What it does, the pandemic made it just blow up even more.
Right.
You know, that's not even only just in buying, but the whole logistics, trucking, all that industry just is following each other in this retail world. So that's why we've invested in both logistics, trucking, and then the e-com boom.